Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Blink Sync module 2 not connecting to Wi-Fi and how you can easily fix this issue. So before you attempt the troubleshooting, you just have to simply verify these things. First, you need to check the network compatibility, and for that your network meets the requirements necessary for the Blink devices as outlined in this Understanding Wi-Fi and Network Requirements section. Second thing, your Wi-Fi password has not changed since you last set up your sync module. If it has changed, you will need to update the sync module with the new password of your Wi-Fi. So once these things are done, you just have to try all of these methods in order to troubleshoot this problem. First, you need to power cycle your router. For that, you need to just unplug your router from the power outlet and wait for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Second thing, you can try to disconnect the sync module from power for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. After rebooting, a solid blue and solid green LED indicates the sync module has successfully reconnected to the network. Third thing that you can try is you can try to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. For that, you just have to simply refresh the sync module's Wi-Fi connection by re-entering your Wi-Fi password. For guidance on updating your sync module's Wi-Fi password, you can visit this link or this URL. Fourth thing that you can try is you can disconnect any ports or the extenders and ensure that only your main router is powered on. After your sync module connects successfully, you can reconnect any ports or extenders that were previously disconnected. So with the help of these few methods, you can easily fix the issue of Blink Sync module 2 not connecting to Wi-Fi. But if the problem still persists, then you can even try to contact with the Blink customer service executive. For that, you need to come to blinkforhome.com and then scroll down a bit where in the main section you will be able to see the contact us button. So you need to click on contact us, and with the help of this contact us page, you can contact with the Blink customer service executive. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.